1750 Lonnie, 1750 Lead, 1750 up, 1750 Hammer, 400 down to 1750, 1750, sidewise the last.
Good afternoon, David Phelan and Henderson at Yarram. We sell here at Leongatha Store Sale here today. We've had quite a few breeders' cattle here today, breeder vendors. We had some very good black calves of the Chandler family that made 15.60 and weighed about 330, which was $4.50 or 60. And they all sold, there's 50 odd of them calves and they all made $4.30 to $4.60. We had a very good run of, we had some bigger Friesian steers that haven't made a lot of money per kilo. For the Mackenzie family, we had 11 big lumps of Friesian steers, made $12.80 that weighed a touch over 500 kilos. The seconds to them, which were younger, weighed $3.90 and only made $7.50. Had a very good run of Hereford heifers. Tony Stewart's heifers made 1,200 and weighed 320 kilos. We had some heifers of Simmons's, a couple big heifers made 1,200, and then they had 15 that made 1,100 that weighed 321. I had a run of heifers of my own, 1120 for the first pen that weighed 312, 1,070 the second pen that weighed 324, and 930 for the third pen that weighed 285. Dicky Folk out of Woodside, 15 lovely poly heifers, weighed 317, made 1120. Some black heifers, we had 18 black heifers of Dixon and Barlow that weighed 350, made 1330. The seconds of them, just under 300 kilos, made 960.
Waggy Cal and Yucca with a blood. Started doing cattle. Right, those steers there, 1,400. 14, 13, 15, 14, I've got 10. 14, 10, 14, 10, 14, 20, 30, 14, 40, 14, 50, 60. 1460, 1460, up the back, 70, 80, 90, 1490, 1500, 1510, 20, 30, 1530, 1540, 50, 1550, here we go, 1550, quick, and 1550, landmarks, Dewey.
So, and then we've had some joined heifers, make 1900. And a pen of Angus joined heifers make 1900, preg tested right on the point, one's calved at home, and some red Angus heifers that made 1750, sisters to them. They're preg tested in calf to a stud red Angus low birth weight bull, and I think they look very good buying to me. But anyhow, overall it's very, very dry in South Gippsland. Nothing's wrong with our cattle market that 2 or 3 inches of rain wouldn't cure overnight. And I hope that it's coming in the next week. Thank you.
2260, 2260, right in the centre, no mistake, 2260,
Partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent.